So welcome to Hobbiton in Matamata, New Zealand. We're going to go have a private tour, so come on with me for a sec. This crazy place is filled with tourists and lovers of The Hobbit and Lord of the Rings, but we're going to go have a private tour, so come on this way. So where are we going now?
So we're walking around an area that's called the Dell.
Yep, okay.
It's the largest area within Hobbiton. It comprises of 9 Hobbit Holes of the 44.
Okay.
And for those of people who have read the books and seen the movies, this next Hobbit Hole we are going to see actually belongs to a named Hobbit.
Okay.
They go by the name the Sackville-Baggins. So they are the cousins of Bilbo Baggins, and they're the ones who want to steal Baggin from him because he didn't have any heirs until he adopted Frodo, and of course, which means they would never get Baggin, and they're not very happy about that. We don't like them, and this is their Hobbit Hole just here.
Okay.
As you can see, this is their one. Frodo's all the way at the top of the hill.
Oh, so we haven't got to Frodo's yet.
Haven't got to Frodo's yet.
Okay.
No.
So this Hobbit Hole. So remind me again who this?
The Sackville-Baggin.
Sackville. The Sackville-Baggins.
For example, at the end of the Hobbit trilogy,
yep.
when Bilbo returns home, people are selling off his stuff. He finds Lobelia, who is one of the Sackville-Baggins, trying to make off with all of his nice shiny silverware, which she's not very happy that he stops her doing.
Yep.
So we always boo this Hobbit Hole whenever we walk past it. So
all right.
if you have any silverware, guys,
boo! All right, we're booing the Hobbit Hole. All right. Well, now this looks like a wheelbarrow. So who would carry this?
This is just one of the hobbits.
One of the hobbits would carry this.
So hobbits, they don't really have many jobs. Like you'll see as you go around, there'll be a few themed Hobbit Holes. But hobbits, they just love tending to living things. They just love minding their own business. So this will be a hobbit just going about his daily business. And one of the details is here is when he's got his lunch break, got an apple.
Maybe we can take a look at we got a little whistle and a pipe and an apple. Just
for his lunch break, you know?
Yeah,
when he's bored, he can have a bit of a smoke, eat an apple, and then play some music on his...
I like it.
Pipe? I don't know.
Well, there's a cool Hobbit house up here.
Yeah, so
maybe we can go take a look.
He's probably walked like 20 meters and had his lunch break, because hobbits aren't the most dedicated creatures at doing their things as well. So they're very food and drink orientated, hobbits are. So he's gone, yep, I've walked 20 meters, I can have a nice little sit down, you know.
Oh my gosh, look at this.
This one here is one of our pottery ones.
So a pottery house?
Yes, so as you can see all the jars and all the bowls, the broken pottery.
We got real smoke coming out of the, maybe there's a real hobbit inside.
Maybe there is. To my knowledge, if there is a real hobbit, he's got a real fireplace, but that smoke is made by a little fish smoker. So there's a metal cylinder, a whole bunch of wood chips, light or ember. Come in.
Hello.
Hobbits are very shy creatures as well, which doesn't really help.
Yeah.
If you want, though, you can open the door and look inside if you'd like.
Okay. Well, let's
see how exciting it is inside.
Let's let everybody come on in here. Oh my God, this is exciting. Better have a look.
Yeah, I like to say we have 44 garden sheds, you know.
Yeah. This is pretty exciting inside of a Hobbit Hole.
Fire extinguisher.
But I mean, to be fair, how many of you out there have ever been in a Hobbit Hole? I certainly haven't. We're going to keep looking for hobbits.
Yeah, there's meant to be about 300 on this movie set. I'm not sure how they keep hiding from us, you know?
Yeah, yeah. And boy, the detail on this is just amazing. They really went to a great deal of trouble to make everything look real. And in fact, it is. Obviously, there's no home in there, but this is...
know of.
So this was not part of the movie?
This was seen once in the movies.
Okay.
So at the very end of the last Hobbit movie,
yep.
Back where we came through the gate, the camera angle was from there. The scene I mentioned earlier about Bilbo returning home and he notices all his stuff is getting taken.
Right.
So before he gets to the Sackville-Baggins and his silverware, where that gate was, he finds one of his friends, and his friend's like, "Oh, Mr. Bilbo, you're not supposed to be here." And from that angle, you look back and you see these 5 Hobbit Holes, but you only see this one from the distance. But again, with the details, if you look in the window, there's like garlic, jars, books, and the camera never sees that.
Right.
But it's there, like the tours barely come out this way as well, but it's there because we can and we want the details.
Yeah, yeah. So
things like that,
it's attention to detail. I mean, come take a look. Can you walk up to that?
Ooh.
Ah!
Oh my gosh!
Oh my God!
The real flowers!
And here's a bunch of broken pottery.
Yeah, I got angry this morning, you know.
Yeah, crazed hobbits get angry. All right, well, we walked inside of a Hobbit house, and now it's time for more.